Hi, and here are your social studies assignments for the week of October 19th. First thing, the biggest thing, is the Chapter 3 test. So that is being posted on Monday, the 19th. You have all week to do it. You can use your book and any notes that you have taken. I highly recommend using your book to help you with the test, especially with the essay question, which is the same as the essential question for the entire chapter. So that essay question is worth about the same as the rest of the entire test. So that essay question is very important. Please read the directions. If it says 5 complete sentences, please write me 5 complete sentences with reasoning from the book in order to answer that and get all of those points. So that is my word on the Chapter 3 test. We're done with Chapter 3, which means we're moving on to Chapter 4, which is Ancient Egypt. Ancient Egypt, here we come. We have a ReadWorks, which is Nefertari's tomb. So something very interesting. That's posting on Wednesday because I really want you to focus the first half of the week on that test. So if you need or would like a reminder, here is how we're going to get to that. So in Google Classroom, which is over here, I'm going to go to my classwork tab. Then I'm going to click on ReadWorks, and then you will sign in. When you sign in, be sure that you log in using Google. That will get you to the right place. And then that's not what I was looking for. Assignments in progress. How about that? Future assignments. Here we go. I must be in the wrong class. Yes, I am. So, Nefertari's tomb. So here's the passage. Notice that we have a couple of options here. One is the step reads. So if the wording that is in here is used, it does not make sense really, and you're like, those are a lot of really hard words, then you can go to step reads, and you can go to step read 1, which is the same content, but uses words that are easier to understand. So that's step reads. Then we have the passage. The other option is an audio thing. So you can click here and you can have it read to you.
Nefertari's Tomb by Eliza Solario.
So it even has like a real human voice, not Mr. Roboto. So you have those things. There is a question set at the end. So make sure when you answer the questions and it asks you to have a written answer, please use complete sentences, especially when it says support your answer with at least one example of a painting or decoration in her tomb. So no example of a painting or decoration, then no points. So follow the recipe. So if you are a fan of Ratatouille, the movie, follow the recipe. And if you're a fan of extra credit points, you, in an email or a private comment, don't comment publicly on this video right now. In a private comment to me, tell me what pin this is or what Disney character is on this pin for 10 extra credit points. So next, we will go back to Google Classroom. So I have Nefertari's tomb. The next thing on my assignment is Edpuzzle Egypt. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom, to my classwork tab, and Edpuzzle Egypt. So Edpuzzle, again, has a video that has questions related to it. This one is talking about the pyramids in Egypt. And it's kind of what the pyramids look like now. There's a guy, kind of like a YouTuber, has his camera like all over the place. But he has that for you. Does the workload look a little bit light? Yes. And that is on purpose. because I would like you to really focus on getting some great answers, using the book to help you with the answers on that chapter 3 test. I want all of you to do very, very well. If you have questions, we can discuss them on email. You can ask for office hours, where then we can set up a Zoom chat. We will be finishing on in class. I didn't write it down, but in class we'll be completing the cuneiform coding. And then for the distance learners, I did post today a how-to video and some of those things. So if you are a distance learner, have fun with that. And there's also a Flipgrid. So if you want to show us how it worked, or if you want us to try and decode your message. And then for those of you who come in person, then we'll be completing that, and then you'll be able to exchange those and do that with the others. So questions, as always, let me know by email or private message in Google Classroom. Have a great weekend and a great week ahead. I think this is pause. Yes. Nope. Now we're going to pause the recording.